You hear it before you see it. Not the loud roar of jet engines or the heavy thump of helicopter blades, but something far quieter, almost invisible in the sky. Somewhere above a remote training ground in Puerto Rico, a small aircraft lifts vertically from the ground, rising smoothly into the air. Within seconds, it tilts forward, its wings catching the wind as it begins to glide silently across the sky. From the ground, it looks small, but the technology inside it is powerful enough to watch, track, and understand everything happening miles away. This is the Vector Unmanned Aerial System, and it represents the growing role of intelligent drones in modern military operations. Recently, U.S. Marines from Weapons Company, Battalion Landing Team, 3rd Battalion, 6th Marines, part of the 22nd Marine Expeditionary Unit, conducted unmanned aerial system operations at Camp San Diego in Puerto Rico. These operations supported missions for United States Southern Command, focusing on disrupting illicit trafficking networks and strengthening homeland security efforts across the region. While the mission may look routine from the outside, the technology involved tells a much bigger story about how modern military forces gather information and maintain awareness in complex environments. At the center of these operations is the Vector drone, developed by the Germany-based defense technology company Quantum Systems. The system is designed to provide military units with real-time situational awareness. In simple terms, it allows operators on the ground to see what is happening far beyond their immediate surroundings. Instead of sending troops into uncertain areas, the drone becomes their eyes in the sky. Vector is a small unmanned aircraft, but its design is unique. It combines two different aviation concepts into a single platform. The aircraft is capable of vertical takeoff and landing like a helicopter, but once it is airborne, it flies like a fixed-wing airplane. This hybrid design gives it the endurance and efficiency of a traditional aircraft, while still allowing it to operate from extremely tight spaces. Unlike many larger drones, Vector does not need a runway or special launch equipment. Marines can deploy it from temporary operating locations, small clearings, or confined areas where traditional aircraft simply cannot operate. This flexibility makes it especially valuable for expeditionary forces that often operate from remote or rapidly changing locations. As the aircraft climbs into the sky, its sensors begin scanning the ground below. High-resolution cameras capture detailed imagery of the surrounding environment, transmitting that information directly back to operators through a real-time data link. On a screen inside the ground control station, analysts and drone pilots can observe movement across large areas of terrain. Vehicles moving through remote routes, suspicious activities near coastlines, or unusual patterns across operational zones can all be detected and monitored. This constant stream of visual information allows commanders to understand situations as they develop, instead of reacting after events have already happened. The drone's ability to remain in the air for extended periods makes it especially useful for mid-range reconnaissance missions. It can quietly patrol an area, gathering intelligence while remaining difficult to detect. Because it is electrically powered, Vector produces very little noise compared to many other aircraft. That quiet operation allows it to observe from above without immediately revealing its presence. For missions focused on counter-trafficking and border security, this type of capability can make a significant difference. Illicit trafficking networks often operate in remote regions, coastal zones, or rugged terrain where ground surveillance is difficult. By launching a drone like Vector, military units can monitor these environments continuously without placing personnel directly in harm's way. But the aircraft itself is only part of the story. Inside the drone is a growing level of onboard computing power that reflects how modern warfare is increasingly shaped by data and artificial intelligence.
Quantum systems design the platform with integrated processing capabilities that help analyze incoming information and manage mission data. Artificial intelligence features assist operators by organizing and filtering the massive amount of visual information captured during flights. Instead of overwhelming operators with raw video feeds, the system can help highlight patterns, detect movement, and support mission planning. This reduces the cognitive load on drone pilots and analysts, allowing them to focus on critical decisions rather than manually sorting through every frame of data. Another key element of the vector system is its open architecture design. This means the platform can be upgraded and expanded as new technologies become available. Additional sensors, improved data processing tools, or new mission equipment can be integrated into the system without completely redesigning the aircraft. For military organizations, this kind of flexibility is essential because operational needs constantly evolve. A drone that works today must also be adaptable enough to meet the challenges of tomorrow. One of the most interesting aspects of the vector system is its modular two-in-one architecture. The platform is designed around a shared core structure. The same main fuselage, ground control station, sensors, and artificial intelligence components can be used across different flight configurations. In one configuration, Vector operates as a fixed-wing aircraft capable of covering longer distances with greater endurance. In another configuration, the system can be adapted into a multicopter platform while keeping the same avionics hardware, software interface, and operational workflow. This approach allows military units to adapt the drone depending on mission requirements while maintaining the same control systems and training structure for operators. Instead of learning multiple drone platforms, personnel can operate a flexible system that changes configuration without changing how it is controlled. For expeditionary units like the 22nd Marine Expeditionary Unit, this kind of adaptability is extremely valuable. Marine expeditionary units are designed to deploy rapidly around the world and conduct a wide range of missions. From humanitarian assistance to security operations, their capabilities must be flexible enough to respond to unpredictable situations. Small unmanned aerial systems like Vector have become an important part of that toolkit. They provide persistent aerial observation from compact launch sites, allowing forward-deployed forces to maintain constant awareness of their surroundings. Whether monitoring coastlines, observing remote terrain, or tracking potential threats, these drones extend the reach of military units far beyond what is possible from the ground. The growing use of small unmanned systems also reflects a larger shift in modern military strategy. Information has become one of the most valuable resources on the battlefield. The ability to see, understand, and respond faster than an opponent can often determines the outcome of an operation. Drones like Vector help provide that advantage by delivering real-time intelligence directly to decision-makers. Instead of waiting for reports or satellite imagery, commanders can watch events unfold live and adjust their plans immediately. And because these systems are relatively compact and portable, they can be deployed almost anywhere. From the dense forests of Europe to coastal regions in the Caribbean, and even active conflict zones such as Ukraine, where the platform has already been used, the demand for reliable reconnaissance drones continues to grow. Each mission adds more operational experience and more flight hours, helping engineers refine and improve the technology. For the Marines operating at Camp Santiago, the mission was not simply about flying a drone. It was about testing and demonstrating how advanced unmanned systems can support real-world security operations. Every launch, every flight path, and every stream of imagery contributes to a deeper understanding of how these systems perform in challenging environments. And as drone technology continues to evolve, platforms like Vector will likely become even more capable. More advanced sensors, improved artificial intelligence tools, longer endurance, and stronger data networks will further expand what small unmanned aircraft can do. The skies above future operations may remain quiet, but the technology flying through them will be smarter, faster, and more connected than ever before. What once required large aircraft and complex infrastructure can now be accomplished by a compact drone launched from a small patch of ground. For modern military forces, that quiet aircraft in the sky is not just another drone. It is a powerful tool for awareness, security, and decision-making in a world where information moves as fast as the threats it is meant to detect. Subscribe for more updates and comment me to show your opinion.